These gold earrings look so much more expensive than they actually are. Even the packaging is adorable. So push this out. They come in this protective case and you just open it on the front. There are three options. This is the largest one, the medium, and the small. I absolutely love how sparkly they are. I love that you get three in a set that go together so you don't have to curate your own stack. They can be worn individually, mix and match, all together. You really could create your own beautiful look without having to buy anything else. So let's put them in and see how they look on. All right. The big one clicks open and closed like this. I'll put that in my first hole. It's very easy to get on and close. Put the other one over here. The second one has a standard earring back, so we just pull it off. And the third is a clicker, so it hinges at the bottom. You just pull this part apart, hinges down there, and we'll put that in our third, if I can find it. This is what they look like as a full stack. I think the gold is super versatile. It's not overly yellow. The sparkle is beautiful. It adds that little bit of pop to your ear. They're not overly large, so they make a statement without being obnoxious. You could absolutely wear these with a casual outfit, but I think they would also look great dressed up. I can immediately tell that they're super lightweight and they're comfortable to wear. They are made with 14K gold plating, so they're not going to lose their shine over time. I think overall, if you're looking to refresh your jewelry collection, this is a fantastic place to start. I love that it comes in a set of three so that you know that they're going to match and look good together. The small, medium, large is perfect for your earring stacks. I love these and I'm not going to take them out anytime soon. So thank you to the brand for gifting these to me to share with you.